the problem, not band-aided. We all know that there's a lot of things in this life that cause us stress because we grow up in this society where we put band-aids on problems instead of eliminating the problem. There's so much drama in life. There's drama on social media, there's drama in the family, there's drama on the job, there's drama in other relationships like your relatives, with your children. There's always problems. Why do we continue to put a band-aid on the problem instead of eliminating it? Like, why do we keep putting up with people longer than we need to? Why do we keep allowing people to stress us out and drive us crazy when all we have to do is don't answer their phone call? Stop giving them money, break up, and the stress will be eliminated. But most of the time we don't. And I can say 100% back in the day, I didn't think I had that option. I thought that, you know, when you're with somebody, you know, you stay loyal to them, you be a good person, and there's just going to be problems in the relationship. But if somebody is not helping you and supporting you and being loving and kind to you, that's a stress that you don't need. That's something that you can eliminate and you don't have to put up with it. The second point, eliminating unnecessary debt or spending money. I know for me, that has been a thing that has caused me so much stress added to it. There's some things that you can eliminate, like paying your mortgage or your rent, paying for your car and things like that, the necessary things, but an added charge so that you can get the latest phone or get the latest computer or get the latest shoes and purse and this, and it goes on and it never ends. So I think we add to our stress in our life. You know, we add to it thinking we have to have these things. And I know I've done that. I've been in that phase when I was younger of thinking that I needed these material things. I needed this brand because of the marketing, and we see it and we're like, oh, I gotta have it. I can't be the only person that doesn't have it. But yeah, you can get it. But then when you get it, what stress do you have now that you have gotten it? You're adding to the problems and the stress in this life, and it's just not worth it. So if we can have a budget, not only is it smart, but it's good for us, not just for financial, but it's good for our mental health, and also it's good for our pocketbook. You start to be able to save money, your credit score will go up. So many other benefits come from us just being happy and content with what we have. And it's either you have to mature into it, either you have to get humbled into it, or you just have to be in that position where you're ready. And before I used to think, oh, they have this and they don't have the newest that. But these days, who cares about having the latest and the greatest? It's my personal opinion. You know, you can have your own opinion as always, chat family. But I just think it's ridiculous to think about brands making a company rich and you don't have, you know. It's a different thing when you can afford to buy something outright, but putting something on a credit card just so that you can have the latest. For me, it's not worth it. It's stressing me out having to think about I have another bill that I have made when I didn't need it. So eliminate the stress, eliminate the problem, and you will be so much better. Another thing, point number 3, when we're talking about eliminating the problem and some problems that we make for ourselves. We ourselves have some issues, you know, we have some issues. I think every single person was born with some things. I was born into, I don't even know what to call it. I was born into dysfunction, and I had to learn to eliminate the stress by not making myself be a part of the problem. Yes, if other people want to do it, like we've talked about earlier, we can't stop people from being drama or not showing up or being who they are. But what we can do is, but are we drama? Are we trying to dip into the tea and stir up stuff? That's one of the things that if we are completely 100% honest with ourselves, we could be the reason why we're stressed out is when that person calls, when you pick up and you start hearing, do you say, okay, I'll talk to you later. Yeah, I'm busy right now. Or do you say, oh, tell me about it? So do you stir up the drama? We could say we don't like the drama, but then when the drama comes around, you're like, ooh, tell me about it. And who is there? So that's something for us to think in our alone time, in our quiet time. Am I a part of the problem or am I a part of the solution? If you're a part of the solution, you don't want to be involved in it at all. And this is the last point that I want to talk about. And eliminating the stress and the problems in our life is just be at a space of peace. Spend some time by yourself when you are alone in your quiet time, thinking, meditating, recharging your batteries, doing the things that you need to do. We have to also put in some work into ourselves and do the things that will help to bring down our stress. Unplugging, pouring into ourselves, taking care of our health, getting exercise, having a proper diet and nutrition. These are some of the things that help us to eliminate the stress. So while some things are beyond our control, like the things that we mentioned today about, bills and money and dealing with people on a regular basis, we can do nothing about that part. But what we can do is work on ourselves. Be the best us. Be the best you that you can, Be happy, be at peace, and don't get yourself involved in things. And I have to say, as the last point, trust God. Trust whatever you believe in spiritually to help you to get through it. We don't have to deal with the stress and think that we can be the cure-all to all the problems. There's certain things that only God can eliminate. I'm Marlene of Marlene Saunders Show. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe to this channel.